Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John. Oh, hi, Pocky. Do you have an egg for me today? Thank you, Pocky. Wonder what's inside. It is a puzzle eraser from Iwako. Softball eraser. What do we have here? We have a softball. Teensy tiny softball. And this looks like a bat. Let's put those pieces together. And there's a ball and a bat. Today we're going to use this reusable sticker pad by Melissa and Doug, and it has 5 different scenes. Why don't we do the farm scene? We have a lot of different stickers here. So let's look at this farm. We have a barn here and a silo. We have a great big field back there. Oh, look, there's a tree with a tire swing on it. That looks like fun to play on. Here's a garden. It's ready to be planted. And here's a little pond. And here's some mud, probably where the pigs play. So why don't we look here and see who we should put in our scene. Let's take the farmer on his tractor. Oh, I like these stickers. The farmer is going to be here. He is driving around. This pig is so excited to be playing in the mud. He's talking to his friend. I'm getting ready to eat. And the little piglets are standing around getting ready to jump into the mud, trying to decide what to do. Mom, may I please play in the mud? And the mom says, that might be a good idea. Ooh, let's go to the pond. There's one duck that's swimming. What a beautiful day. Oh, I see a couple baby ducks. They're gonna follow after their mama. Okay, so the mama duck is gonna quack, 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 and the baby ducks are gonna follow her. Because that's what baby ducks do. They follow their mama. Let's see here. What other animals do we have? We have a couple of hens. Here's a hen. Let's put this hen. This hen is going to be right here, right by the garden. And this hen is too. They're just looking for some bugs to eat. And there's some baby chicks all over. Oops. Okay, now you can see where I put the chicks. Those 2 chicks are over by the pigs, and this one chick is over by these chickens. Let's put the rooster. Oh, I see another baby chick. Right here. It's a darker chick. So it's going to be over here by its mom. There. And we'll put the rooster. Where is he? There he is. Put the rooster in. And he's gonna be on top of here. He's crowing because he just likes to make noise all the time. We have lots of different animals here. We have a horse. Horse is eating in the pasture. We have another horse that's running around, but we'll leave that one for later. I don't think there's enough room to put all of these animals in. We'll put a cow in, just wandering around. Maybe the cow just drank out of the pond. We'll put one of the goats over here. It's eating the grass. The sheep will be here talking to this duck. Let's put this scarecrow up. Yeah, the scarecrow will be right here. What's that rabbit doing there? And there's some corn growing. Put the corn over here. Oh no, we'll put the corn. I see some tomatoes. We should put those in the garden too. There we go. So we have a nice garden with lots of things growing. We have sunflowers and corn and tomatoes. That sounds good. Oh, there are cabbages too. See, cabbages. We can put those in the garden. There. I see two butterflies. There's an orange butterfly and there's a yellow butterfly. Put this butterfly over here. And put this butterfly over by the plants. There. And the last thing I want to put on here is a couple of tools. There's a shovel and a pitchfork. So we'll put those over by the garden. Okay. So the shovel is in the ground and the pitchfork is over by the, I'll put it here, over by the scarecrow. So it looks like he's holding it, doesn't it? What a neat farm. Lots of different animals on this farm, and a garden, and a place to play if you came to visit. This would be a fun farm to visit. I bet the farmer would let you play baseball in that field too. So let's put the baseball and the bat there.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every weekday and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please press the like button below this video. Have a lovely day.